for Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's prepare an egg curry. Unique egg curry from Chettinad, from Tamil Nadu. So let's move on to the video. Let's make this beautiful Chettinad style egg drop curry together. We are making for 3 guests. Onto a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of cumin, 15 pieces of black peppercorns, and 4 pieces of dry red chilies, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of cloves, and a piece of bay leaf, and few curry leaves, and saute on a low heat for 30 seconds. Add half cup of grated coconut and saute it and stir continuously until the coconuts are turning to golden in color. This is a very important step. Make sure you don't burn it. Turn off the heat and remove from the heat immediately and let it cool down. If you keep it on the same pan, there are chances to become dark and burnt. Everything onto a blender, add quarter cup of water and blend into a very fine smooth paste and set it aside. Onto a same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot now. Add half teaspoon of cumin seed, a small piece of cinnamon stick, a piece of bay leaf, and saute for 30 seconds. 1 piece of chopped onions and few curry leaves, and saute for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and saute it until the onions are soft and golden in color. Onions are turning golden in color now. Add 2 pieces of diced tomatoes and stir continuously. For this curry, we have to add more tomatoes. 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and saute until spices are cooked. Add 1.5 cup of water, give it a quick stir, and add the paste we just made before and combine well. Add some water, check the salt and add just enough and bring to simmering. Turn the flame into very low, crack 1, 2, 3 eggs. If you need 1 more extra, you can drop 1 more and cover it and cook for 3 minutes. You can see the beautiful curry is getting ready. The eggs are cooked perfectly. Give a quick stir. Flip the egg. If the gravy is too thick, you can add a little bit more water or coconut milk for a creamy texture. Add few chopped cilantros on the top. And turn off the flame and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this beautiful egg drop curry from Chettinad. If you got time, please try this recipe and share your experience in the comment box and show your love by subscribing and sharing my videos to friends and family. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye. what about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.